Hello everyone, this is Prosper here. So in this video, I'll be taking you to the delivery method at checkout, how to properly set up your shipping, and explain what this create new profile is. So if you are creating your store and you're having issue with shipping, or you don't really understand what how to set it up properly, so in this video I'm going to be explaining that. So now this is the set shipping page. So once you go to settings and then you see shipping and delivery, you'll be taken to this page. So by default, under shipping, you see this general shipping rate. You see this option, domestic shipping, domestic and the rest of the world. So what you just do is, this is the default shipping that Shopify gives you, or Shopify provides. So what you just click is, you click on manage rates. So you scroll down and then what you want to do is to delete it. So you click on this and then you delete this zone. So you click on delete. So then for that of rest of world, and then you delete. So once you are done, you click on save. So let's go back to the shipping settings. So now we'll create our own shipping profile. Now I haven't deleted that, so let me go back to the store and assuming I want to check out. So before I deleted those default shipping settings created by Shopify, you have the option to ship to every part of the world. You can see all the countries are available here. But now that I've deleted it, let me just refresh this checkout page. So you can see there is nothing showing up under country. So let's go back to the settings. So now let's create our own shipping profile. Now once you click on create a new profile, so this profile allows you to create a shipping method for different products. So this is what I mean. So once we click on create shipping profile, let's call this shipping profile 1. Shipping profile 1. So let me add products under the shipping profile. So let me click on add products. So let me add. So you can see it's showing you adding. So I've added 1, 2, 3, and this we have 4 different variants of products. So that's 7. So now for this one, let me just add those 7. You can see we still have these 3 other options, which I'm going to be adding to another shipping profile that we'll be creating. So once I click on done, so we've added the product. So the next thing is to create shipping to, where we want to ship this particular products that we've added to this profile. Where do you want to ship it to? So that is where we come across this create a shipping zone. So let's say for instance I want to ship it to United States. So let me just give it a name. You can see customers won't see this. So let me say I want to be shipping this to United States. So let me search for it. So the next thing is to add the rates. So let me just make the rate free shipping. So maybe free shipping to United States. So once I just type, there's nothing else to do. I click on done. So with that, now I've created a shipping for this particular product to United States for free. So I can also decide to create another shipping zone, that is create shipping zone. So let me call this, let me say you want to be shipping for those from Australia and Canada. So let me call this Australia and Canada. Then I can go and add the countries. So this is it. Then I'll add the rates. So let me call this standard shipping. And maybe I want to charge $10, and then I add a condition. So I can add condition based on weight and then based on price. So maybe based on weight, so anything from 0 to, let's say, to 10 kg. To 10 kg. So anything from 0 to 10 kg, I want to charge $10 for it. So I click on done. So under this Australia and Canada also, I can create another rate. I can add another rate. So let me just call this heavy. Heavy item, and let me just give this 20, then add condition. So I'm still using based on weight. So let's now from 5.01 to, let's say, 20 to 20 kg. Okay, let me edit this. Okay, this is from 0 to 10, so let me make this 10.01. So I cannot edit. So 10.01 to, okay, let me increase this to 30. So now under the shipping profile 1, so we are shipping to United States, we are shipping to Australia and Canada. So that means these are the people that can purchase from this store as at now, under if we have only shipping profile 1, and this is what we've provided. So once we are done, let's click on save. So you can see here, so shipping profile 1, we added 7 products, and these are the places that we can ship to: Australia, Canada, and United States. So now let's go back to the checkout page for this particular store. This Just Kitchenware 2. So just to let you know that we are still using the same store, Just Kitchenware 2. So let's assume someone wants to buy from this store. Let me refresh this page. So having fill out the phone number, then the name, and then now let's scroll down. Our interest is the country. You can see for this country now, so you can see we only have the option of Australia, Canada, and United States, because from the profile we've created for shipping profile 1, we only made provision for Australia, Canada, and United States. So that is why we are having only these 3 options here. Only these 3 options here. Now, another thing I want to explain is this. If you look at when we are creating the profile, let me click on it again. Manage rates. So you can see that these are the products that we added. So if I click on manage products, so we added only those 7 products. If you look at this particular product, non-sticky frying pan, we didn't add it to this shipping profile. So what happens is that by the time someone comes to the store, and then let's look for that product, non-sticky frying pan. So this is it, and someone wants to buy this non-sticky frying pan. Let me open it in a new tab. So if I should click on buy now, so let me enter some the shipping details, and the shipping address and contact. So let me just test email. Then for the shipping address, so for the country, let me select United States. Let me just give some random address under the United States. So okay, and then the phone number, let me just okay. So now just pay attention. You can see I selected United States for that particular product, for this particular product, non-sticky fry pan, and this particular product is not under the shipping profile. It's not under the shipping profile. So look at what will happen now. So by the time I click on continue to shipping, so you can see Okay, I now enter the last name. So let's click on continue to shipping. So you can see this is what it will appear. Say more information. So this order cannot be shipped to your location. Contact the store for more information. Why is it showing this error? That is because when we are setting up the shipping under the shipping profile 1, we didn't add this product under the shipping. That means somebody from outside these 3 locations, outside these 3 zones under the shipping, cannot purchase items that we didn't add under the shipping profile. I hope that makes sense. So that's why only someone from Australia, Canada, and then the United States that can purchase this product. So what we can also do, so that's another advantage or the meaning of this shipping profile. So now let's go back to the shipping settings. So now let's create another shipping profile. So we can as well create a new shipping profile. So let's call the shipping profile 2. And then now let's add products. So you can see the ones that are already in shipping profile 1, you have it here. That means these products here are already in shipping profile 1. So let's scroll down. So these are the 3 that is not under the shipping profile 1. So let's just add it. So you can see adding. Now if you should click any other product that is already in another shipping profile, it will take it out from that shipping profile and add it to this current shipping profile. So I've added these 3. So let me click on done. So if you scroll down, then for shipping 2, you click on create shipping zone. So this time around I can decide to add another country. Let's say, let me call this Nigeria. Then I click on done. So for the rate, let me just make it free shipping just for the purpose of tutorial. And then I click on done. And then save. So you can see it here, shipping profile 2, 3 products, and then we are only shipping. That means only someone from Nigeria that can purchase, that we can only ship these 3 products to someone in Nigeria. So let's go back to the store. So let's look at the products we added to this shipping profile 2. So I click on manage products. So we have the non-sticky frying pan. So let's go back to the checkout page. So this is this is it, the non-sticking frying pan. So let's click on change. So let me just change the address to make it looks like that of Nigeria. Let me select the country. So now you can see the Nigeria will appear. So once I click on it, I can select the states. So once I click on continue to shipping, so you can see the person will be able to access the checkout page and can continue to payment. So once I click continue to payment, so you can see that the person will be able to go through. So let's go back. So with that, now let's go back to the to this shipping so that I can give a brief summary on what this profile. So that is it on how to on shipping and profile. So again, let me just summarize it. Once you get here, you delete the default shipping that is there, then you can create yours. So you can as well have just one shipping profile. It's not necessarily you have more than 1 or 2 or shipping profile. So it depends on how you want to configure your shipping. So you can just have one shipping profile for all your products, whereby you are going to add all the countries that you want to be shipping to. But if you have a particular product or some products that you want to ship only to a specific country, there are some stores you go to and they'll tell you that you cannot ship it to this particular product to your country, then you have to create another profile. Then you add that product to the profile. So for this shipping profile 2 now that we created, we only added these 3 products and made it available only for Nigeria. So that means those 3 products, someone from Australia, Canada, or United States you cannot ship it to this You cannot ship any of these 3 products to any of these 3 locations that we have under shipping profile 1. So I believe this video is clear. If you have any question concerning this or concerning shipping, Shopify shipping, just leave them in the comment section below. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon, and then I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.